Hi, my name is Chuck and I own an SEO agency, and we specialize in search engine optimization and getting local businesses just like yours ranked to the top of Google in order to bring you more leads and more business. And I was doing a search for the most popular keyword search, Charleston Pest Control companies. This brings up on the first page a map section. Sometimes there's some ads up there. But then you get into the organic rankings, which this is just a directory listing, business directory. Here's a competitor, another listing, directory listing. Here's a competitor. You may or may not know that 80 to 90% of all new searches end up picking one of the top 3 search results. So think about it for yourself. How many times do you go past page 1 in order to find what you're looking for? And Google being the new phone book, you want to be listed in it, and you want to be in the front for people to find you. So I did continue looking, though. I did find you back on page 6, and I think it was down a little bit. Here we go. Barrier. So we went to your website, which looks very sharp, nice, clear. Pictures that people can relate to. Hopefully your web person is installing the image alt tags on there that help signal Google with the right keyword to rank you higher. One thing that Google does is the reason they're the reason they do rank sites high is because they trust them. Google is in it for the end user experience. So think of what you do when you search anything on Google. You want to find what you're looking for right away. You want it to show up on page 1. You want it to be there, preferably at the top. You want it to be, when you click on that link, to find what you're looking for. You want it to match. You want it to have authoritative content. You want it to be accurate. Well, that's what Google wants to put on page 1 for people to have a pleasant search experience. So one of the things that goes into Google trusting the site is your title tag. And so we put your URL in our metadata extractor. This is what comes out, some other stuff too. But this line is actually, is usually what comes out on the blue line as your title tag. And Google likes for that to be, in order for you to rank higher, they want it to be congruent with what people are searching for. So if you just changed this a little bit and tweaked it to read something like Charleston Pest Control Company or companies to be congruent with the search term, put a vertical line, then put your company name or whatever else you want after that. That'll boost you up in the rankings right there. The other thing Google looks at are your headings on your website. And so we put you in again. It doesn't show that you have really any headings that Google can identify. Headings tell Google what you want to rank for. So you're really not telling Google what you want to rank for other than some secondary headings down here. And then if you do put a heading on your website, you want it to also be congruent with what people are searching for in order to send the right signals to Google. So down here, you could put, again, Charleston Pest Control Companies. And if you're in other locations, we can adjust that too. But then you can rearrange some of this to be after it so that you still get that information in and it's clear to your customer. But you want to put the right keyword search terms on your website to send the right signals to Google. So hopefully those are some things you can do on your own. If we can help you at all, I'll be glad to. Hope you have a good day. Take care.